deleted or not? Is that
Yeah, and what does that mean, deleted?
you can't buy it anywhere anymore?
It's just gone out of the catalogue. They're not making it.
Hi Tanya. Everyone stopped making steel tools. Everything's $19 and shit and bad for your body and unergonomic.
So do you want to run us through those?
Yep. Can I just get my big steel fork and a wooden one?
So this is Roebuck Farm, Jodi Roebuck, who has created this remarkable example of bio-intensive farming, gardening. There's a lot more to be said about this place and what this man's done in the garden and around it. And Curtis Stone has been interviewing him for the last couple of days. So here we are, talking about tools.
Hey James.
G'day Jodi.
So I've got a few tools here. I'll start with the ones you can still buy. This is a 49-inch Clarington forge. So this is one piece of steel. We sourced this from Bountiful Gardens. If you can find it somewhere else, that's good luck too. And that's a ash D handle on top. You can buy replacement handles for about 25 US. They're light to ship, and they come in two lengths to make your tools either 43-inch or 39-inch for the shorter person. They're about 150 by the time you get it in the country. But you've got to be careful with how you treat them in the bottom trench if you're doing a double dig, because you can snap them here. So now the steel tools, the fork's an important tool in the garden. The steel forks, the bad news is, all been deleted. Spear and Jackson, really nice fork, deleted years ago. That's made in England. They started making it Chinese made. It's a whole different tool, but even that one we can't find. It's 43-inch. So if you see these second hand, you know, I would pay a new price for, to get them second hand even. Spear and Jackson, they call these contractors tools the steel ones. This one been deleted. We haven't seen that one around either. That's Spear and Jackson. Good for a challenging soil for the first double dig. Steel tools for the first bed prep, and then wooden ones for ongoing. Tree Tools New Zealand make this. It's a Walsh planting spade. It's a really nice strong tool with a real heavy pan on it. And these are the tools that you may be able to look out for second hand. This is a beautiful tool. We've extended it for taller people and put foot plates on it. It's a McGregor's contractor's spade. We paid 70 new for this, so I'd pay 70 second hand if you're lucky to see it. Really neat tool, and this is the only other steel option we've really seen. There's others around, but they're not. It's hard to find them. Atlas, they've deleted their steel D-handle top as well, so really your options are second hand, a rebuild. You find your granddad's fork head and you put a new top on, or you know, about 150 investment to get this one in the country. And then the other thing we've just done is talking about tools and where we're going in, well, everywhere, but especially in New Zealand. This is just with the hand tools and bio-intensive. There's many types of agricultures and tools specific. So we're looking at bio-intensive tools. This is a fork head that I had made up about 5 years ago, and it totally changed the work we do in the garden. You can see how I just added one more tine. Suddenly the first bed prep, the double dig, your trenches where you dig across the trench become wider. Most people, and it's all leverage, it's not a tool that you lift. Just working backwards with it. So it's really been, that's changed things in the gardens. And one more. Finish with good news. You can buy these new, most garden centres have got them, Wolf Garden rakes. It's got a nice curvature on there. So this one, these tools are helping you lift a bit of depth in your soil, and this one working backwards, and this one you're moving forwards. Just doing the final bed prep on the surface. So that's some of the tools, James.
Awesome, Jodi. It's really highlighted the fact that we need to start encouraging these enterprises that are actually stepping up and making tools in New Zealand, like the Crafty Gatherers.
Absolutely.
And so there's opportunities there to start building to the farmers' needs.
Yep. It's great to have all these tools sourced and made locally, and also finding people to be able to alter. And a woodworker and a metalworker, really. You buy a farm, you need to know them. If you can't yourself, you need to know a woodworker, metalworker. Farming friend of mine made these up. I make both a custom handcrafted farm fence and work sometimes contracting, and these are brilliant. You can't go and shop and buy them. It's recycled spade head, some pipe on it, and a hollow box head rammer. Really good, strong tools.
Yep, I could have done with some of those when I was fencing in my day.
Yep, makes a big difference. So yeah, tools really make a difference, and there's not a lot of money tied up in here. It's just actually being able to source them.
Awesome, thanks for that, Jodi.
My pleasure.